Today I want to explain you exercise 3.2 question number 2. In this we have to say that lines are intersected point, are parallel or coincident. When two equations are given, yesterday we have seen in the video that when two equations are given, that is 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0, 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. When two equations are given, on that time we have to first, already we know that we have to find out a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. From then we can say that the lines are intersected point, parallel or coincident. So if we, first of all we have to find out a1, that is 5, a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2. If you will see that 5 upon 7 is equal to minus 4 upon 6. It means here we can say they are not equal. a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2. It means 5 upon 7 not equal to minus 4 upon 6. So this is condition when it is possible when two lines intersect at point. So lines are intersect at one point. That is from the given equation we can say. Why we can say like that? Again, a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2. It means lines are intersect at one point. Now in second, we have to write a1 upon a2 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. Now if we write the a1, that is 9 upon 18, 3 upon 6 and 12 upon 24. If we divide 1, 9 to 18, 3 to 6 and 12 to 24. So 1 upon 2. It means lines are, already we have a condition a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Then lines are parallel. So lines are, we can say, parallel, because it will be satisfied our condition, that is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Sorry, we cannot say lines are parallel, but what we have to say, when a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, we can say coincident. It means it has many solutions. What we can say? Many solutions. Why? Because the condition is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. It means they are coincident. Now third, that we have to see. Now again 6 by 2 minus 3 upon minus 1 is equal to 10 upon 9. So if we cut this, then 3, this is equal to sign cut. So 3 is equal to 3 not equal to 10 upon 9. So this condition is when satisfied when lines are parallel. Lines are parallel, it means no solution. So you will imagine that when a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2, then no more solution. When two lines are given from using a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. Same thing, question number 1, again I dictate a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2. So lines are intersect at one point. Here a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. If we put all the value, all are equal. So we can say it is a coincident, or we can say many solution. And here 6 upon 2 minus 3 upon minus 1, 10 upon 9. So 3 is equal to 3 not equal to 10 upon 9. So no solution. So exercise 3.2 question number 2 is like that we have to find either two lines are intersected point, parallel or coincident. Friend, now exercise 3.2 question number 3. Again we have to check that lines are consistent or inconsistent. So again, if we want to find out consistent, inconsistent, we have to compare the coefficient of it, that is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. So in first, if we compare that a1 upon a2, that is 3 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon minus 3 is equal to 5 upon 7. So all are not equal. a1 upon a2 not equal to 3 upon 2 not equal to 2 by minus 3. So we can say it is consistent. Why you can say? Because a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2, it is called consistent. It is called consistent. Now we go further deeply in it. If consistent, then we can say unique solution or infinite many solution. But here a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2, so we can say unique solution. We can say unique solution. Same thing now. 2x minus 3y is equal to 8. 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. Again we have to put value, that is 2 upon 4 is equal to minus 3 upon minus 6 is equal to 8 upon 9. If you will see 2 2s are 4, 1 by 2. 3 2s are 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 not equal to 8 upon 9. That is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2. It is called inconsistent. Inconsistent. We can say it is inconsistent, or we can say no solution. So there are 5 in exercise 3.2 question. There are 5 sums. Out of 5, 3 we have to do it here now. So now 3 by 2 third, 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y is equal to 7. 9x minus 10y is equal to 14. So when numerator denominator are given in question, it is easy to first we have to multiply by 6 to get proper coefficient. So if I will multiply by 6 whole equation, then here 6 is 18 by 2, that is 9. So 9x, 6 5 are 30 divided by 3 means 10x, 10y is equal to 42. Now here 9x minus 10y is equal to 14. Now if you will see again, I am repeated, LCM is 6, so I have to multiply each term with the 6. So 6 is 18 divided by 2, that is 9. 6 5 is 30 divided by 3, that is 10, and 6 7 is 42. Here 9x minus 10y is equal to 14. So now if you will see that again 9 upon 9. So 9 upon 9 minus 10 upon plus 10 upon minus 10 is equal to 42 by 14. So you will cut it. 1 is equal to minus 1. 1 is equal to minus 1 is equal to 14 3s. So all are unequal. They are not equal. 1 not equal to minus 3. So we can say it is consistent. Why? Because again a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2. So we can say it is consistent. We can say it is consistent. Consistent. So more 2 questions are there. If you have to again first write the coefficient of, that is a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon, and then compare with the 3 identities that when they are not equal, a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2, we can say consistent. a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2, we can say inconsistent. So these are the 3 questions you can do yourself more question.